I am obsessed with these detergent sheets from Earth Breeze. I love that I am able to just take a sheet and put it in the wash, and that's what's going to clean my clothes. Like, that's the detergent instead of having to use a liquid. So first of all, they smell amazing. You can smell them through the packaging and they smell so good. Just clean. They smell so clean. And I love it. They're actually a great texture. It's a little bit like thicker than paper. It almost feels like a foamy paper, but you can tell that they're just going to dissolve really easily and quickly when you put it in the wash. On the back, it tells you exactly what to use: half, 1, or 2 sheets, depending on your laundry load. And they're gonna work for all washing machines. So you can put it in a top loader or a front loader and be just fine. So I love that they're just going to be easy to use, and I love that I can just throw that in there and not have to worry about anything else. These don't have residue on them. I don't know, like me, sometimes I'll pull my clothes out and they'll have little spots or little things that come out that they didn't go in with. And so this doesn't have them in that residue in them. So they're going to just leave your clothes super clean, smelling great. You can do up to 60 loads with this one pack. They're hypoallergenic. They don't have bleach in them, so they're gonna be safe for your colors. There's no parabens, just made of great ingredients, and I think that these are great. I love these and I would definitely recommend them.